What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm on top of the container cafe right now, summing up a few things with my handrails, checking a few things, making sure everything line out right. Got a couple more pieces to grab. I'm waiting to make sure what day we actually gonna do this top, because we're spraying. I'm priming the top, but I'm putting a wood deck on top of it, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I am priming the top, and then I'm gonna put the deck on top of it. So my goal is to have a wood deck up here. I'm gonna just use I don't know if I'm gonna use 2x8s or 2x10s, and then I'm going to make them the same color as my staircase, so that way everything will kind of work out together. So right now that's what we got. I still have to do a cut. I think a cut here or there. I got to figure out exactly where I'm gonna put it at, but I think the staircase gonna come off on this end. I came up with a new idea, so we're gonna be working and touching in on that here soon. Hold on.